We're gonna do a bunch of fun things with bananas today. Luca, I'm Kayla. It's nice to meet you. I've met you guys before. I think you look familiar.
Are you a banana person?
I love bananas. Bananas are full of really cool stuff. There's some fiber in there, helps with our bellies. There's the nutrients and the vitamins that we talked about, which helps us have energy. So there's just a whole lot of good stuff in the bananas. And we are going to have some fun with them today.
Go.
All right, let's see how many peels you can get. How many pieces of peel can you get off your banana?
All the way down to the bottom. There you go.
Done.
We're gonna make our very own recipe, however you wanna make it, with bananas and a few other ingredients that we have.
Okay.
If you want to remember it, there's a sheet over here where you can make your own recipe and make your own recipe card. If you want to grab a Pop-It or a Frisbee or a water bottle before you go, you certainly can. Thanks for coming.